Hello everyone, welcome to a new series on how to draw cars. This is a follow-up to my previous series on perspective drawing. If you follow along the videos in this playlist, you will be able to draw cars even though you do not possess any drawing skills whatsoever. Yes, you heard that right. The videos in this series are going to be a complete step-by-step guide on drawing cars. I will do my best to deconstruct every aspect of drawing cars, mentioning each and every dimension of a stroke that you will make on the paper. There won't be any time lapses, estimates or guesswork in the upcoming videos. I suggest to go through the videos in the perspective drawing playlist before jumping into drawing cars. So let's get started.